Hello viewers, today we will be discussing about mumps. What is mumps? Mumps is an infection caused by a virus, also called infectious parotitis. Primarily affect the salivary glands. Mostly a mild childhood disease. Often affect children between 5 to 9 years old, but can infect adults as well. May have serious complications. Vaccine reduce mumps infection in young children. Consequently, older children may be observed with mumps infection than among younger ones. Mode of transmission. Mumps virus is present throughout the world. Transmission occurs by airborne droplets, sneezing or coughing by infected person, by direct contact with an infected person. Sign and symptoms of mumps. About a third of children infected with the mumps virus have no symptoms. Symptoms usually appear between 14 to 21 days after infection. Most prominent symptoms are swelling in the salivary glands, just below and in front of the ears. Swelling may occur on one or both sides of the neck. Other symptoms: Number 1. Pain when chewing or swallowing. Number 2. Fever, weakness and tenderness, and swelling in the testicles. Infected person can infect others from about 6 days before to about 9 days after swelling in the neck appears. Complications of mumps. Complications from mumps are rare, but they can be serious. In men and teenage boys, an inflammatory condition called orchitis may cause swelling in one or both testicles. Orchitis is painful and sometimes can cause sterility. Encephalitis, meningitis, and hearing loss are other rare complications that can occur in people infected at any age. What is the treatment for mumps? There is no treatment for mumps. How is mumps prevented? People who get mumps and recover are thought to have lifelong protection against the virus. Effective and safe vaccine in the form of MMR to prevent mumps are available. Thank you.